Let's dive into this week's AI news because it's been absolutely crazy. Google just launched Gemini 2.5 Pro, taking reasoning and multimodal AI to the next level. OpenAI's GPT-4o got updates that makes AI interactions smoother and more intuitive. Alibaba's cloud is making big moves with Qwen 2.5 Omni 7B. And DeepSeek v3 is showing that open source AI is stronger than ever. There's a lot to unpack, and honestly, the AI race is moving so fast it's getting hard to keep up. Let's start with Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro, and this one is crazy. Google says it's their best AI yet, and honestly, when you see what it can do, it makes sense. They claim that it's 40% better at reasoning than Gemini 1.5 Pro. But what does that actually mean? Well, it crushes all the benchmarks like MMLU, GSM 8K and Human Eval, proving it's getting much better at solving complex problems. It's getting a lot better at solving complex problems, coding and general knowledge tasks. But here's the big deal. Google has seriously upgraded its memory with a 2 million token context window. That's massive. For comparison, GPT-4 Turbo can only handle 128,000. So Gemini is showing off in big way. And the weirdest part, it's supposed to be way better at handling different types of media, images, videos and audio all at once. But will that actually make a big difference in the real world use? OpenAI has something big in the works. They just rolled out major updates to GPT-4o. And the biggest one? Native image generation. On March 25th, OpenAI officially integrated image creation directly into GPT-4o. So now you don't need to use DALL as a separate tool anymore. Now users can create and edit images instantly by chatting. The AI is better at drawing text, managing multiple objects, and keeping edits consistent. This feature is available to anyone, even free users, but there are some limits due to high demand. The update blew up so fast that OpenAI servers couldn't keep up, leading to temporary limits on usage. Being able to create images directly inside a multi-modal AI chat is a big step forward, giving users more control and flexibility. This update isn't about creating cool images, it's about seamlessly adding visual content into workflows for design, education, and content creation, making AI more powerful and versatile than ever. If you think OpenAI and Google are the only ones shaking things up, think again. Alibaba Cloud just dropped Qwen 2.5 Omni 7B, and it could be a serious game changer for open source AI. It's an omni-modal, meaning it was designed from ground up to handle text, images, audio, video all within one system. Unlike most models that add these abilities separately later on, this one was built seamlessly to integrate them from the start. The big thing about Qwen 2.5 is that it's really good at understanding human-like context. Even though it's a smaller model with just 7 billion parameters, it's beating models twice its size in some areas. So it's smaller, faster, and still holds its own. A huge win for efficient AI. Now let's talk about DeepSeek v3, probably the most overlooked AI update this week. If you're not familiar with DeepSeek, think of it as China's version of GPT-4 level model. DeepSeek made waves again with the launch of DeepSeek v3 on March 25th. This new update, now open source under MIT license on Hugging Face, takes AI reasoning and coding to the next level. DeepSeek v3 comes with a massive 131 tokens context window and processes text at 20 tokens per second on Mac Studio. It's a strong competitor to cloud-based models like OpenAI's. Early testers say it delivers more structured and formal responses with major improvements in coding. This has led to speculations that it's setting the stage for DeepSeek R2, a reasoning-focused upgrade that could launch in April or May. Although the official benchmarks aren't out yet, this step puts DeepSeek in the AI race as a strong challenger to major US tech companies. The biggest takeaway from all of this? AI models aren't just getting smarter, they're getting more efficient, multimodal, and reasoning driven. OpenAI is refining efficiency. Google is pushing insane context windows. Alibaba is blending modalities seamlessly. DeepSeek is carving out a niche in AI coding. And honestly, this is probably just the beginning. The way things are evolving, it wouldn't be surprising if we see another breakthrough next week that makes everything we just talked about look outdated.